Hi everybody, my name's Bruce Armstrong. I'm actually a lecturer in IT, but the project I'm going to be talking to you about today is the Norfolk Island Carbon Health Evaluation Project. Now it's a project that's been running for around 4 years so far. We expect it'll probably run for another 2 years until we do the full evaluation of all the data. But it's been one of those projects that has really pulled out some significant findings. It's actually come to the attention of quite a few people. There's actually a Korean news group at the moment that's making a short documentary that's going to be filmed in Korea to do with the overall project. We've all been interviewed for that project, but what I need to do first too is acknowledge the team members in that project. So we've got Professor Gary Egger. Now Gary Egger did work for Southern Cross University, but he's now the Director of the Centre of Lifestyle Management, the Australian Centre of Lifestyle Management, or Lifestyle Medicine, sorry. We've got Gary Webb and Alex Hendry, who are both postgraduate students at the moment. And Gary Webb is one of the key investigators as well because he's an ex-resident of Norfolk Island. Then there's myself, and we also have Bill Smart, who I haven't listed there, who's not named on the grant, but has been providing supervision of some of the postgraduate students as well. Now, it is an ARC funded project under a linkage grant. So they're a key partner in all of this. We've actually completed all the requirements for the ARC funding, which was completed at the end of last year, and we did the finalisation sign-off then and did the final report. There's 3 postgraduate enrolments, and the other partners that we've got here are the Centre for Lifestyle Medicine, the Norfolk Island Government, and they've just recently been disbanded as a result of a bit of little political issues that have come up and the fact that the island was running out of money and people are leaving the island at a great rate. And then we've got the main supermarket on the island, which is P&R Groceries, and we've got all the service stations on the island. And given how small the place is, there's not a lot of service stations there. Okay, just a little bit about Norfolk Island. It's 35 square kilometres, 1,400 kilometres east of us at the moment. It's now part of New South Wales and the residents can actually vote in the ACT elections now. 2011 census, 1,800 residents. The latest figures I can get, they're down to 1,400, and that's the official figures. But because we talk to the people on the island, they think we're down to 1,200. They're losing people hand over foot because there's no employment, and they weren't previously able to access benefits either because they weren't part of Australia. Okay, but onto the project. The objectives. We're looking at the links between a personal carbon footprint, so individuals' carbon footprints, what they consume in terms of what they use in energy, what they eat, how manufactured the goods are that they use, all that sort of stuff, and the links to obesity. We're into the data analysis, but we've got quite a bit more to go. And there's the sort of things that we measured throughout the project. So we've got survey data, which is attitudinal, so we're getting feedback from them, but we also have actual anthropometric data. We've got the people that are involved in medicine on site, and we've got the GPs. They've fed us a whole series of anthropometric information, including BMIs, actual BMIs, and we've measured that against actual BMIs. Okay, the obesity, as I've said, we're using BMI as a measure there. We've got all these data sets. We're part way through analysing them. We do have a common BMI that we've used, and we do have a baseline measure for carbon output as well. So we've still got quite a bit of analysis to go on the data sets. What we've started finding. Okay, and this is just out of some of the modelling. This is out of some of the regression modelling we've done, and this is only on the baseline data that we are identifying differences in attitudes to the environment, attitudes to health, and attitudes to health behaviours. So we do have quite a bit yet to go, but once we get through all this analysis, we think it's going to create quite a deal of interest in terms of the outputs and establishing that environmental link with the health link as well. Thank you.